Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today we have a collaboration, and this is for a Christmas centerpiece, and the hosts are Kiki DIY, Crafty Hints by Chantal, and OK at Home DIY. So I'm going to be linking the hosts and the co-hostesses down below in the description box along with their channel links. I'm also going to be linking the playlist. So make sure and full watch the video, subscribe to our channels, and head on over to that playlist to see how everybody made their centerpieces for their tables. So what I decided to do in this video is do a decorate with me, which is what I'm doing here now. I am decorating my coffee table. This is an area that probably nobody would be touching. I don't have any little ones, but I display more of the things that I make. So we are going to be doing a decorate with me. And as you can see, I've been leaning for some reason more toward the pink, and I'm loving it. So on the right hand side of the table, as you can see, I created this centerpiece right here, mirrored centerpiece with crushed glass. Now I haven't decided whether I was just going to use it to display things on top of, or whether I was going to make some additional pieces to hang it on the wall. But nevertheless, for this season, we are going to use it to display things. On top of it, I also am going to display a Christmas floral arrangement, which you will see momentarily. And then here, I just made a DIY video making this centerpiece right here in pink that came out absolutely gorgeous. Remember that all the items that I'm using to create these crafts are mostly from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to go ahead and leave you to enjoy the video as I continue to decorate this, and then we'll head on over to the reveal. So I am so happy with the way this is coming out, and I hope that you enjoy this look too. So I do want to take a moment and thank the hosts and the co-hostesses for this collaboration. I absolutely enjoyed it, and I hope you did too. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. Happy holidays. So now here's time for the reveal.